Hey everybody, I was just documenting an issue I'm having with this kind of weird phone that I got at a flea market for $5. I figured I'd try to see if I could make it work. It didn't come with a AC adapter. As near as I could tell, this is probably circa 1980, something around there. Um, I do have a manual for it. I guess I could have checked to see this, but this phone was apparently manufactured by TeleConcepts, which I believe was the Chinese importer. But in any case, Feature Phone 4. And it's got a couple lines I thought it would be kind of fun to toy around with and have as part of my experimentation with weird old phones. And it has pulse dialing double lines. And like I say, it came without a 9-volt power supply. And here, I'm going to set this on there for now and plug it in. And I don't know if you could hear that, but it sounded like a faint buzz, which I don't hear right now. But if I take it off the hook, you can probably hear that. And I believe it's coming from this speaker setup here, although I'm not 100% certain. It does appear to more or less work. If I put it into tone mode and use it to dial, it's fine, but that buzz, which I'll probably record and do an audio analysis, I suspect that's just a 60 hertz buzz leaking through something. I could try putting some kind of a choke on the input. Maybe it's actually just leaking in from the input. This is not the original power supply, 9-volt AC supply like it said, both in the manual and I believe back here it says 9-volt AC 9-volt, right? So I don't know if anybody's had any ideas. I'm not a super electronics genius. I'm not terrible, but it's not my usual debugging mode. But I tried cleaning some contacts and stuff. It's if I can't get this working, it'll probably end up in the recycle bin if I can't get it to do something a little bit reasonable. Does anybody have any experience with these? Reach me at mvandewettering@gmail.com. If you're watching this, you'll find a link to it somewhere. I think I'll probably upload this to my YouTube channel and also link it to a couple of different places so that people can watch. It's kind of a cute little phone. I mean, it's not in the best of shape, but I kind of like the idea of using these old recyclables to play around with. In any case, thanks a lot, and if anybody has any ideas, let me know.